Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placements. Okay, this is your money and love reading ngayong June. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po dito sa ating mga items. Okay, so meron tayong protection from evil eye ring protection, and meron din tayong necklace. This is unisex, and this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic po. No, itong ating necklace. So, ganyan siya. Meron siyang blue stone doon sa center. And ito yung dalawa nating bracelet. Isang adjustable and isang garterized. Okay? So, pareho silang unisex. Ito is available rin sa red string kung gusto mo ng red. And syempre, yung ating 2-in-1 money and love bracelet. Okay, meron siyang citrine stones. Yan, ito yon. Mga citrine. Okay, ito pa. For money. Okay, hindi lang siya for for love. Oo. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nabanggit yung tungkol doon sa citrine. Actually, oo. Kasi masyado ako nakafocus sa love dito. Anyway, so kung ikaw, lalaki ka, gusto mo to, pwede mo naman siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? And dalhin mo kahit saan ka magpunta. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin for money lang. Kung gusto mong money lang. Kung love lang, pwede rin naman. Okay? Singles, yan. Pwede rin sa'yo to. Okay? So, magpo-provide to ng magandang energy for you. In money, and syempre, sa love din. Okay? Kaya nga, 2-in-1 bracelet. Okay? So, magnet siya. Okay, money and love. And actually, next, yung ating granter. So, si granter po yung taga-grant na mga minamanifest mo. So, again, taga-grant lang. Okay? Hindi siya gumagawa. Pero, siya ay nagbibigay ng surprises. Aside sa mga gusto mong mag-manifest. Okay? So, again, every time na nagma-manifest tayo, gamit ito and gamit itong ating love and money. Okay, we're manifesting kasi kailangan mong proteksyonan yung minamanifest mo sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng evil eye. Okay, para hindi masabotahe, okay, ng ibang tao. Okay, yun. Kahit ano pang gawin mo, or kahit magmabait ka, hindi natin maiwasan na may mag-evil eye sa atin, may manabotahe sa atin, sa energy. Okay? So, again, si granter is non-tarnished. This is, made to order po, ha? Sa mga, tawag dito, sa mga nababagalan, sa mga natatagalan sa reading, you can skip the video. Okay? So, yung ating last is yung pangtanggal alat. Pangtanggal MALAS. Okay? Yun lang. Yun na lang yung aking sasabihin pagdating dito sa ating cord cut. Kasi yung mga naka-attach pa sa ating energy, sila yung nagbibigay ng bigat, Kaya tayo sabihin nating inaalat. So ganon, ha? So again, kung may mga tanong, just message me. Okay? So let's start the reading, Leo. Leo placements. What's for you pagdating sa money in general? Okay? Ano bang meron? Trabaho mo, career. Yan, tingnan natin. Business. Let's see. Energy surrounding Leos. Okay. 7 of Wands. And, okay, may nag-flip. Okay, so 4 of Wands. New strategies, new management na pwedeng resulta ng maganda. Okay, we have here the 4 of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo nakikitaan ko na parang ang daming gagawin ngayong week. Ano tong 7 of Wands? 7 of Wands. Ay, naku. What's with the 7 of Wands for Leos? 10 of Wands in reversed. Merong hindi makikisama sa'yo, Leo. Okay? Merong mga hindi makikisama sa'yo. Some of you have to reject something. You have to reject. Bakit? Ano to? King of Swords. This is cutting off. Cutting off. Oh, okay. So, ito, mga Leos, meron na kayong mga nakahanda, some of you, ito ha, specific. May nakahanda ka na like schedule, naka-note na yon, pero meron ditong energy na parang sabihin nating hindi papabor or hindi makikisang-ayon sa'yo. Could be situation or tao. Okay? So, kung sa tingin mo, magiging hadlang to sa mga plano, kung kailangan mong i-cut off, kung kailangan mong iiwas or iwasan, gawin mo. Kasi maganda yung gusto mong mangyari. 4 of Wands. Okay? Pwedeng sa workplace to. Some of you po ha, meron ditong this is specific rin na message. Yung iba sa inyo hinaharang yung promotion mo. Hinaharang po. Okay? Hindi ko alam bakit. Hinaharang po yung promotion. Sana. What else for you, Leo? 5 of Wands. Wheel of Fortune. Naka-align lahat. Oo. Okay, yeah. The Ace of Swords. Andito yung energy na naka-align lahat. Some of you, this is the right time para mag-exert ka ng effort. I don't know kung ano man yan. Pagdating po sa pamemera ha. Okay? Ngayon ka maggawa or magbigay ng effort. Okay? Naka-align si universe, naka-align magagandang energy pagdating sa'yo. So, kung ikaw itong gagawa, may magandang babalik, may papasok na pera, some of you. Okay? So, yeah. Yeah, the Sun. Some of you, ito yung parang challenge. Okay, may challenge na pwede sabihin nating mas magiging okay every time na parang andito yung energy na okay, gagawa ko tas may papasok. So, mas challenge ka kasi every time na meron kang gagawin, may mas malaking papasok. Parang ganyan, may mas malaking pera. Okay? So, kung ikaw maglalagay ng effort, kung ano man ang effort na ilalagay mo, ibibigay mo, ganun din yung babalik sa'yo. Okay? Sa pamemera po yun, ha? This is nice. Wag lang talagang tatama rin. Oo. Avoid yung procrastination, spendings, delays. Avoid natin. Okay? So, what else for Leo? Hermit. Some of you, may chance na magkaroon ng work from home. Okay? Work from home. 5 of Chalices in reverse. Yeah, work from home. Hermit. I mean, the Hierophant and the Hermit. This is work from home. Pwedeng meron ditong matanggap at mabigyan ng chance na makapag-work from home. Yeah, the King of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, may chance pa na ikaw ay makapaggawa pa or makakuha pa ng other source of income aside sa pag-work from home mo. Okay? Yeah, Three of Chalices. Iba sa inyo talagang, okay, no time for love. No time muna for love. Tayo ay umeffort hanggat kailangan, hanggat pwede. Parang ganon. Anyway, excuse me. So, tayo tumungo na. Pagdating sa person on your mind. The person on Leo's mind, who is this? Who is this? The person on Leo's mind. Okay, sino to? The Six of Pentacles. Some of you nakikipagbalikan to or kailangan niyang humingi ng forgiveness sa'yo. Okay, or another chance. What's with the Six of Pentacles? The Eight of Wands. Are they reaching out? Some of you, itong taong ito is nakikipagbalikan, mini-message ka, or they're like giving you signals, maybe mixed signals na andyan sila ulit. This is a past person's energy, I think. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Wands, the Hermit. The Four of Wands, the Empress. Bakit Hermit lagi? Nasasabi ko. Some of you might be dealing with a Virgo. Okay? Let's see, anong situation ba ngayon? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? Some of you kasi nakikipagbalikan siya. Or gusto mo makipagbalikan sa taong to. Pero I'm seeing communication dito, You're communicating with this person right now. Oo. So, let's see. Or they're like reaching out. Giving you signals. Giving you signs. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman, Leo? Bakit nila ginagawa yan? Anong intention nila? Kung ano man. Let's see. Seven of Swords in reverse. The Eight of Swords. They're stuck. They're stuck. Nandyan yung familiarity. The Seven of Swords in reverse. Ikaw lang yung parang easiest escape or easiest way. Parang ikaw yung sabihin nating kung ito bata, ikaw lang yung pinaka nakikita niyang tao na pwede niyang samahan kasi kilala ka niya. Parang ganon. Okay? Parang ganon yung energy nito. Yeah, the Three of Chalices in reverse. Some of you, the intention is not clear. Yung intention nitong taong to kung nakikipagbalikan sila is hindi naman totally gusto nila makipagbalikan. Some of them, they just want comfort. They just want comfort. Yung iba dito ang nakikita ko, this is just their way para magkaroon ng mas madaling paraan para maka-move on. Alam niyo yun. Alam niyo yun. Nako! So, ito. So, ito na nga. Diba? Alam nyo ba? Sa iba sa inyo. Alam nyo ba na every time na ilang beses nang nakikipagbalikan, kung ilang beses na nakikipagbalikan yung ex nyo sa inyo, some of them, mas pinapadali nyo yung pag-move on nila sa inyo. Huwag nyong iisipin na mahal ka kasi binabalikan ka ng binabalikan. Tapos maya wala na ulit. Tapos wala na. Totally. Bakit? Kasi some of them, ginagawa nilang way yung balik sa'yo para maka-move on ng mabilis. Okay. So, another message yun for you, Leo. Let's see, what is your emotion right now? What is their emotion? Current emotion for you. Yeah, they're reaching out, they're communicating, they want forgiveness, they want another chance. Let's see, what is their emotion? Seven of Chalices in reverse. Yeah. Okay. Maybe the grass wasn't greener. And the other side, no? Lalo na nga kung alam mo ito ay nagkaroon ng iba, bumalik sa'yo, pwedeng nagkamali siya. Okay? Sabi ko nga, the grass wasn't greener. Okay? The grass Akala niya kasi mas magiging okay siya doon, eh hindi pala, kaya bumabalik. The Seven of Chalices in reverse. Yeah, the Star. Pakikipag-ayos. Gusto nila makipag-ayos. Gusto nila makipagbalikan. The Nine of Swords is here. Nandyan yung takot nitong taong to. Like, totally sabihin natin, hindi sila ganun ka-confident enough, no? Sa pakikipagbalikan na to. Kasi wala naman sila talagang dahilan eh. Like, good intention or clear intention. Kung ano bang dahilan, bakit siya bumabalik. Wala lang, gusto lang niya. Some of them. Okay? They see you as the Star. Ikaw lang yung best option, maybe. Best choice. Yeah. Ace of Wands in reverse. Naku po. Ano po yun? Ace of Wands in reverse is energy ng in and out. In, out, in, out, in, out. Could be sex, some of you. Okay? So, what is their next action towards you? Ngayong nakikipag-ayos siya or nakikipagbalikan, nakikipag-usap siya sa'yo. Okay. Pero hindi mo alam anong meron, hindi mo makita ano bang intention talaga ng taong to. So, yun. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ano bang next action niya? The Hermit. Nakaw! Ayan na nga ba ang sinasabi natin? Ayan na nga ba ang sinasabi sa hula? The Hermit. Next action niya, after communication, ghosting. Okay? Ghosting. Pwedeng mawawala na lang ulit bigla. Why? Oo. Ilang beses na ba nangyari sa inyo to? Hindi ka pa ba nasanay? Why? The Hermit. The Knight of Swords. Yeah. Communication. This is just communication. Plain communication. And then, kapag na-bored na siya, I think some of them kasi walang makitang magiging kakonek. Pwedeng inalisan to. Pwedeng na friend zone or whatsoever. Hindi siya kinonikan. So, there's no way. Parang ikaw lang yung nakikita niyang open door. Okay? Of opportunity. And then, i-grab niya yun. And then, yeah. Kauntian lang na panahon ulit na mag-i-invest or mag-stay, and then after, goodbye again, Leo. They're not consistent. Some of you, mapapansin nyo yan sa pakikipag-communicate niya. Hindi siya gano'n na magiging consistent. Pwedeng ikaw, pwede sa ngayon, siya yung nauuna mag-chat or tumawag or whatsoever. And then eventually, malalaman mo, mapapansin mo, bakit ako na lang ulit? Ang parang nauuna. Advice, let's see. Leo. Advice for Leo. Sa situation nila ngayong June na to. Advice. The Tower. Give them the Tower moment. Give them. What's with that Tower? The Four of Chalices. Yeah. The Sun in reverse. Wag mo ring bigyan ng clarity itong taong to. Let them think. Let them think. Okay, let them realize everything. Okay? The Hierophant and the Chariot in reversed. Sabihin nating may value ka, may worth ka. So, hindi ka para aalisan, babalikan, aalisan, babalikan. Okay? Ipakita mo sa taong to na marunong ka mag-cut off. Ipakita mo sa kanya, iparamdam mo sa kanya na hindi ka rin palaging open. The Tower, the Four of Chalices, let them realize everything. Let them. Okay? The Sun in reverse. Hindi mo kailangan palaging maging available, hindi mo kailangan palaging nandyan, present. Okay? Give them some confusion. Something to think. Okay? Give them mystery. Yun lang. Yun ang akin para sa sitwasyon na to. Kasi masyadong sanay na eh. Yung energy. Yeah. Familiarity. Sabi ko nga. Nakasanayan. So, next. Tingnan natin all signs for you. Leo placements. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Aries, they want a new beginning. They want second chance with you. Taurus. They like you. I guess they like you. Gemini, they want to communicate. Cancer, they're coming back. Some of them, they're coming back. Leo. The situation is not situationing. Sana na-gets nyo yun. No, oo, hindi nakikiayon yung sitwasyon sa kanila sa ngayon. Okay? Virgo. Okay, there. Sneaky, deceptive. They have, sabihin nating dark side. Si Virgo. Libra, they want a new beginning. They want another chance. Some of you, there's this new Libra na gustong makipag-connect sa'yo. Scorpio, they see a good opportunity with you. Sagittarius, they're being indecisive, aloof. Capricorn, short term. Aquarius, parang hindi nag-work out to something, or maybe somebody is not exerting or putting that effort na kailangan sa sitwasyon para mag-click, parang ganyan. Next, Pisces, they need you. They need you. Yun lang. So, again, yun ang aking reading for you. Leo placements. Yes, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung ating pong love letter. Okay? So, again, thank you. Goodbye.